This is a 3-terminal weight starter. It's got this terminal. It's connected to the 0 wire of the 220V AC input. 3-terminal block weighted starter. It's two linked together. This terminal block, one of the terminals is connected to the 220V 0 line input. The other two terminals are connected to the starting capacitor. Here's M. S is connected to the secondary winding of the compressor. It has a coil on the front. Inside it, between the S and M terminals is a contact switch. The moment the compressor is energized, the internal contacts will close. When the compressor is running properly, the internal contacts are then disconnected. Acts as a power on startup. For single terminal weight starters, we'll use the resistance of the multimeter. Test its two interfaces, S and M, directly. With the coil facing down, its internal contacts are disconnected, so it has a resistance of infinity. When we turn it around, its internal contacts close. It means that this weight lifter is just fine. For 3-pin heavy-duty starters, its internal contact is at the S terminal of this secondary winding, and this capacitor terminal. With the coil facing down, its internal contacts are disconnected. We measure its resistance to infinity. When we turn it around, its internal contacts are energized. It means that this heavy hammer lifter is also normal. If we turn around after, if the resistance value is still infinity, it means that it's inside. Part of the contact top is damaged by poor contact.